What is coming over you? Are you out of your senses? Hmm?
And no matter what, you have to understand, you're still going to be my mom. But I love her too.
I'm speaking to Fred Ajimai. My name is Angelo Boateng, an inspector at Atonsu Police Station. A complaint has been lodged against you concerning a pregnant woman you don't take care of.
One day, you understand.
We are taking her to the hospital, so you send money immediately. You think you can get someone's daughter pregnant and hide?